We're gonna rock down to
Electric Avenue.
Hello, we're here in Birmingham with Arbury Motor Group in honour of World EV Day. We're going to find out what you know about electric vehicles and if you know your drivetrains from your pod points and your kilowatt hours. Would you ever consider getting an electric car?
Yeah, definitely.
Yes, we are actively considering buying an electric car, yeah.
You know, the charging times and how long you get on your battery that concerns me as well. I wouldn't want to have to split a journey to charge on, you know, to motorway services or something.
I would definitely.
Probably go for a hybrid first, because the same as Jane said about the fact that I'm worried about the charging point.
Could you tell me 3 things that are good about having an electric car?
The lack of pollution.
Good for the nature, as well as the petrol prices are rising.
1, for the environmental side of it, and 2, I think the modern ones are sort of getting quite exciting. I think sustainable, stylish and fun.
Nice, sustainable, stylish and fun. I was asking about cars, not you, Will.
It's better for the environment, much better. It's probably cheaper as well.
They're quiet and efficient and need very little servicing.
They're quiet, they're quick. Obviously it's a lot better for the climate. Just plug it in. My next door neighbours have both got electric cars now.
What do you think about electric vehicles, sir? Very scared. When do you think the first electric car was invented?
Wow. About 20 years ago?
Well, I guess at the 50s. Well, that's probably too far back.
For about maybe 2010.
I don't know, late 80s maybe.
You're absolutely very close. What century, though?
Around 1884?
Absolutely spot on. Yeah, do you know who it was?
Thomas Parker?
This girl knows. She knows. She's been researching. 1884 by a gentleman called Thomas Parker. But you might be surprised to learn it was 1884.
Oh wow, yeah.
Wow! Can you take an electric car through a car wash?
Yes, as long as you're wearing a rubber suit.
I'd imagine so, yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
What do you think? Electric and water, do they mix?
Well, they don't, but I would imagine that they've been built so you can put them through a car wash.
Yes, you can put them through a car wash. Does an electric car have gears?
No, I don't think that it does have gears. I mean, I've been in an electric car, I can't recall it having gears, it just sort of takes off.
I think they tend to be like an automatic and they just have drive, park, neutral, reverse.
Do you think there's more electronic charging points or more petrol stations?
I think there's probably more electric charging points now than there are petrol stations, because so many petrol stations have closed.
More petrol stations. Now, at the moment, there will be more petrol stations afterwards.
Only a few hundred charging points versus thousands of petrol stations.
Couple hundred.
A couple of hundred across the whole of the UK.
Well, I suppose now you're going to say it's charging points.
You can't guess. You can't guess. Well, you might be surprised then. There's actually just over 8,000 petrol stations and currently 35,000 electronic charging points in the UK.
That's great, actually, that's good.
Now, I'm going to sing a little song and you're going to carry on and join in. Join in if you can, right? You ready? We're gonna rock down to...
No idea.
I've no idea.
Let's go.
We're gonna rock down to...
Electric Avenue.
And then we'll take it higher.
Ooh, baby.
Was that it? We haven't got that far before. We're gonna rock down to...
The petrol station.
Down to...
I can't remember, it's something Avenue.
What have we been talking about?
Sorry?
What have we been
Electric Avenue.
Yes. Are you in a band? You could be in a band. She's electric. She's in a family full of eccentrics. Never heard that one? Fail. She's in a family full... It's Oasis. Oasis, anybody? What about this one? What about this one? She's... That's terrible. I'm not a singer, I'm a presenter. She's electric.
She's got a family full of eccentrics.
She's done things I've never expected.
And I feel alright.
That's near enough. Well done, Pete. Well done, Dan. Thank you very much. Thanks. Leah, you've been a superstar. Thank you very much. Well, thank you, Birmingham. It's been an amazing day. It's clear that some of you are ready to make the switch to an electric vehicle, but others may need some convincing. If you've got any more questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with the guys, the amazing guys at Arbury Motor Group in the Midlands, and they'll answer all of your questions. We'll see you again soon.